Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. Are you trying to update to iOS 27, but your iPhone shows the message unable to check for updates? This issue can happen for several reasons, including network problems, VPN interference, or software restrictions on your device. Since iOS 27 isn't available yet, I'll use iOS 26 for this demo. The upgrade process will be exactly the same once iOS 27 is released, so subscribe and follow this guide when it's available. Let's get started. First, we'll try a few fixes directly in Settings. Step 1. Check your network connection. Open the Settings app and tap Wi-Fi. Make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. If the connection appears weak or unstable, try switching to a different Wi-Fi network. After that, go to General, then Software Update, and check for updates again. Step 2. Disconnect from your VPN. If you're using a VPN, it may prevent your iPhone from communicating properly with Apple's update servers. Open Settings and go to General. Scroll down and tap VPN and Device Management. Tap VPN and turn it off. Once the VPN is disabled, return to Software Update and try checking for the update again. Step 3. Turn off content and privacy restrictions. Screen time restrictions can sometimes block software updates. Open Settings and tap Screen Time. Select Content and Privacy Restrictions. Turn off Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now go back to General and Software Update, then check for updates again.
Still unable to check for update? If the error still appears, you can use ReiBoot to upgrade your iPhone directly. ReiBoot makes it easy to upgrade or downgrade iOS, iPadOS, and macOS with no data loss and no complicated setup. The free download link is available in the description below. Now, let's see how it works. Connect your iPhone to your computer and launch ReiBoot. Once your device is detected, click iOS Upgrade. ReiBoot will automatically identify your device model and display available firmware versions, including iOS 27 Beta when it's available. Select the firmware version and click Download. Wait for the firmware package to finish downloading. After the download is complete, click Upgrade Now. Keep your iPhone connected throughout the process. The installation usually takes around 10 minutes. Once it's finished, your device will restart automatically and boot into iOS 27 successfully. And that's how you fix the unable to check for update error and upgrade your iPhone to the latest iOS version.
If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.